Need a deflector for your upcoming project or to replace a worn-out component? At Titan, we have a vast stock of 20 and 25-inch deflector sheaves, pre-grooved in the most common cable arrangements. In as little as 3 to 5 working days, we can have a single deflector assembly or a batch order out the door and on their way to keep your project on time. We pre-machine deflector sheaves in the following cable arrangements. Both 20 and 25-inch deflector sheaves for half-inch diameter wire rope in 4, 5, or 6 cables at 7/8 pitch from groove center to groove center. We also stock 25-inch sheaves for 5/8 diameter rope in 4, 5, or 6 cables at 1-inch pitch from groove center to groove center. All deflectors are available with either a 4-hole pillow block or 2-hole pillow block mounting arrangement. And although our standard deflector shaft is 33 inches in overall length with a 19 by 14 inch offset, custom shaft sizes and offsets are available with little or no effect on our lead times. Call Titan today to see how we can help to get your project back on track, ahead of schedule, and under budget.